This 2026 NuCamp Tab 360 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 18 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 2, smoke detector, self-contained, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, LP detector, water heater, air conditioning, and 25 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bath, front kitchen, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 NuCamp Tab 360 is 2,869 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.